Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Anwar Rizky, grade 12 4. Today I will tell you guys about how to describing people in English, and I also will tell you the example. For example, if you see someone so tall, you can say he or she is tall. And also if you see someone short, you say he or she is short. And another example, she has curly hair. Or if the hair is straight, you can see she has straight hair. And also about something someone's wearing like glasses, you can say she wears glasses. And last is she is pretty and smart. Now it's your turn. What do you look like? What are you like? Good. Thank you guys for watching.